Here were the best drops from the past week. At number 5, we have Liminal Workshop's felt tip pen shirt. Love the creative idea behind it. I think the felt pen was translated well into the design. It also allows for this cool, texturized and worn look. Great stuff from the brand. At number 4, we have Cielos football jerseys. Taking inspiration from Spider-Man, the brand also takes inspiration from several teams and sponsors, reimagining it all through their own lens, which all came out as back-to-back bangers. At number 3, we have Lemons on Fire's drop. The skirt here with the bag is just an amazing piece of work, from the colours to design and overall details. This is a drop worth talking about. I love their continuous elevation and what they're doing in women's wear. At number 2, we have the Panda Back by rxsmob. Their backpack here is one of the coldest I've seen in a minute. We already know that animal print has reigned supreme this year, and the switch to panda print is just new. I also love the brown elements here. I think it was a good colour choice to pair with the print. And at number 1 this week, we have Calydon's Jersey Set. These are looking like tracksuits of the summer, man. Check out these colours. Even though tracksuits might be inherently for winter, the designer came through and dropped 3 bangers, showing how it's not just a winter item. I love these. That was it for the best drops this week. Stay tapped in with all of the brands and follow us for more.